Hey, what's up?
Hey man, how are you?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, dude, I can hear you loud and clear.
Yeah, I just had a few questions. So right now I'm cold calling the Twin Cities in Minnesota,
Okay.
and I just had a few questions about like when they call you back, and like imagine you're cold calling a list, and when they call you back, how do you know the person that's calling you back? How do you know the house that they're calling from or for? And and if I'm out, how do I do that? Because I carry another cell phone with me, and then
Okay.
I just get a random number, you know?
Yeah, I get it. Great question. What's your name?
Abdurrahman.
Abdirahman?
Yeah,
All right, you know I'm gonna butcher it, so I'm sorry.
no problem.
I'm terrible with names. But hey man, nice to meet you. So
Nice to meet
uh
you.
the best way I do this is I'll answer those calls when they come in,
Uh-huh.
and every single call is gonna be almost the same. I just got a missed call from this number. What do you want? Of
Okay.
course, you're not gonna have the cool part is you're having someone live, which is really cool. So Uh, you're not gonna have the phone number there. You're gonna have the phone number. You're not gonna have the name or the address. So I always
Mhm.
say this. Oh, hey, Sally. Sorry about that. I was actually calling people in the area. I don't have the address popped up now, but I was calling some people in the area of some properties we deal with, and I was just seeing if you were open to selling your property. That's the reason I was calling. I'm not looking to sell my house. Okay, no problem. Have a great day. Well,
Okay.
maybe, and then go from there. That's all you can really do.
For sure.
I've tried every which way. That's the only way I've seen it. And I've gotten deals doing that. Like when I was like 18, I got this huge, massive deal doing that. So off a code violation list that I still remember this day because the pool had to be grounded. Oh my gosh, it was terrible. It was $10,000 code violation. It was a mess. But um, he literally called me, and this was like my 10th callback for the day. And I was like, yeah, I was just seeing if you're open to selling a property. That's the reason I called. And he's like, no, I was. I'm like, no. But like, I was trying to call you to see if you're selling a property. He's like, I am looking to sell it. I'm like, oh, just because I was expecting him to say no. So
Right.
little lesson I learned back then. But yeah, call them and just give them the reason why, and just
Mm.
ask.
Because I thought it was a little awkward. I've been watching your videos, and when someone doesn't answer and it goes to voicemail, you just say your first name and say call me back. You don't really
Yep.
talk about the real estate. So I felt like it was a little awkward if I'm not talking about the real estate, and then they call me back, and then I'm like, oh, I'm buying real estate, but I didn't say that in the voicemail. You know?
Hey, the reason is to get them to call you.
Yeah.
That's the point. A lot of people screen calls.
Mm.
So hear me out. A lot of wholesalers will go call that list and not get a call back, or they'll do, this is Zach with Zach Buys Houses or whatever. And they won't call him because they'll screen it.
Right.
But if you just say, hey, this is Zach, give me a call back, that person who would never answer a wholesaler calls you.
Yeah.
Now you're in front of a seller that no one else, no other
Right.
wholesaler, you're in front of a seller that no other wholesaler got in front of. That is
Mm.
huge. That's amazing arbitrage. You get 10 calls like that a day. That's
Yeah.
amazing. You'll get a deal, dude. So that's why I'm huge into doing that. So you get in front of people that other wholesalers can't. That's the smallest, like slight edge stuff that'll destroy your
Hmm.
competition. You get 10 of that a day, 5 days a week, 50 times five. I mean, that's 250 times 12. I mean, if in a full year, you get in front of 3,000 people that no other wholesaler in your area would.
No other ones. Nobody else talking to. Yeah.
Powerful, man. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.